want a chainsaw!
What? What are you talking about?
Some lady up the block is giving away all of her husband's stuff because he shot himself in the face.
Oh my god!
Mom, Stewie needs his sausage cut and his butter spread.
Yeah, let me get that for you, buddy. There you go. Eat up, little guy.
Damn it, Peter, you ruined Stewie's chair. What are you doing? Turn that chainsaw off!
Not a chance, Lois. You know how hard it was to get that thing started? It was even worse than trying to cover anything with saran wrap.